The Char-Broil Grill2Go X200 Portable Grill is a compact powerhouse, perfect for tailgating, camping, or beach outings where you crave grilled food on the go. Featuring a robust 9,500 British thermal units burner and push-button ignition, this grill heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures for perfectly cooked meals. Its TRU-Infrared cooking system ensures even heat distribution and eliminates flare-ups, resulting in juicier and more flavorful food. The grill boasts a generous 200 square inches of cooking space, allowing you to prepare meals for a group without taking up too much room. Constructed with durable materials like a die-cast firebox and rust-resistant steel, this grill is built to withstand adventures and provide long-lasting performance. With its lightweight design, secure latching lid, and convenient carry handles, transporting the Grill2Go X200 is hassle-free, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts.